Congrats on the purchase of the Scooter Sunshade Canopy by the Scooter Accessories. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of this canopy. Please note the part numbers next to each bracket. After removing all pieces from the box and removing the plastic protection, start by grabbing part number 1 and install the short end directly into your scooter's accessory port. This will make for an easier installation. Next, install part number 2 into part number 1 and adjust it to your desired height. Slide a clevis pin into the hole and grab a tightening knob and tighten down. Now attach part number 3 onto part number 2 with the longer section facing forward. Use 2 tightening knobs to tighten into place. Next, we will slide part number 4 into part number 3. Lastly, we will attach the canopy material. The Scooter Accessories logo will face the back of the canopy frame. You will want to start with attaching the front section first. This may take some grabbing and pulling. Once positioned on, squeeze at the front of the frame bar to clamp the Velcro down. Next, bring the canopy over the rear and attach Velcro straps to the frame. Last, attach the 2 Velcro straps on each side of the canopy to the frame. Now you can go and enjoy your Scooter Sunshade Canopy. If you have any other questions regarding the assembly of your Scooter Sunshade Canopy, please call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.